In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invite a user to your Cloudflare account. Inviting teammates to your Cloudflare account lets you share responsibilities securely without handing over your own login. You stay in control by deciding exactly what they can do. Let's walk through it together, step by step. Start by opening your Cloudflare account and signing in. If you manage more than one account, glance at the account selector at the top to make sure you're in the right place before proceeding. On the left panel, you'll see your main navigation. This is where you'll manage account level settings. Click Manage Account. This takes you to the area where you control who has access and what permissions they have. Next, click Members. The Members page shows everyone who currently has access along with their roles. It's a good spot to review who's in before adding someone new. Now, click Invite Members. A form will open where you can add the person you want to invite. In the email field, enter their work email address carefully. This is where Cloudflare will send the invitation. Double check for typos so the invite doesn't get lost. Below the email, add permission roles. Roles define what the user can do, such as managing DNS, configuring security settings, or handling billing. Choose the minimum access they need to do their job. This follows the principle of least privilege and helps keep your environment secure. You can assign more than one role if their responsibilities require it. You can also create a policy. Policies let you fine-tune access even further by targeting specific resources or actions. For example, you can narrow permissions to certain websites or limit what changes can be made. If your organization has strict access requirements, this is a great way to ensure compliance and reduce risk. Take a moment to review what the user truly needs so you don't overpermit. Once you've entered the email, selected the appropriate roles, and configured any needed policy, you're ready to send the invitation. Click Invite Members. Cloudflare will email the recipient with a link to accept and join your account. Their status may appear as pending until they accept. If they mention not seeing the email, ask them to check their spam or updates folders. That's it. You've successfully invited a user to your Cloudflare account, set the right permissions, and, if needed, added a policy for precise control. Keeping permissions scoped correctly helps your team move fast while maintaining security. Thanks for watching, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you need to onboard a new teammate.